morning. Welcome to Dojoe's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a flank steak with a chimichurri sauce. We're prepping for tonight and we're going to show you the ingredients now.
Get us to 100 thumbs up and we'll make another video. And subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a video.
Alright, you want to start off with salt and peppering your meat. And we're going to do that on both sides of the meat. Do our salt first. And then our pepper. And then both sides, just like the salt. Okay, good. And now we're gonna make our chimichurri sauce. I'm gonna have Aidan put the ingredients into the blender. Yeah, put them in. It's our parsley and our cilantro.
Some more.
We wanna get it
Some more.
in there.
Some peppers.
Our jalapeno peppers.
Some onions. Some garlic.
All of it.
Some more of it.
Let's push that down without getting cut. I'm gonna add our olive oil. And what we're trying to do here is make enough to not only marinate the meat, but to have some left over to put on top of the meat once it's done cooking. And our red wine vinegar. I like to put a little bit of extra red wine vinegar because I like the tang in my meat. And then you just blend it all together. So this is what you want your final sauce to look like, your chimichurri sauce. Okay, good. Now what you're gonna do is use half of it to marinate the meat for 6 hours. And the other half you want to save so when the meat is done as a sauce. Cover it and refrigerate it for 6 hours. All right, so it's been about 6 hours. I've allowed my meat to get to room temperature while my grill gets going at 450 degrees. I'm gonna put my meat in to about 5 minutes each side, 6 minutes. I'm trying to go for a medium well. Of course, flank steak is usually best at rare to medium, but I like my meat medium. Should be about, like I said, 10, 11, maybe 12 minutes tops. So we'll check out how it looks in a little bit. All right. I lost a couple of minutes because I was busy doing something, so it's been 20 minutes instead of what I was shooting for, which was about 15 minutes. Let's check it. Oh yeah, looks good. And that's it. I believe it's done.